Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal invoices. First, log into your PayPal business account. Navigate to the Send and Request tab, then click on Invoices to begin. Here, you can start a new invoice. Remember to personalize it with your business logo and contact details to maintain a professional appearance for your clients. This initial step is crucial for establishing your brand and ensuring clarity. Now, let's fill in the invoice specifics. Enter your client's email and any necessary shipping information. Clearly list each service or product, its quantity, and the unit price. Don't forget to add any applicable taxes, discounts, or shipping charges to ensure the total amount due is completely accurate. This detailed approach prevents confusion and ensures smooth transactions. Once your invoice is complete, always preview it carefully to confirm all details are correct. You can then send it directly via email through PayPal or share a secure link with your client. After sending, easily track its status, view payment history, and send gentle reminders if needed. This ensures you stay on top of your receivables and maintain good cash flow. PayPal invoicing offers several advanced features to streamline your process. Consider setting up recurring invoices for regular clients, saving you valuable time each billing cycle. You can also add a custom memo or specific terms and conditions to your invoices. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to accept partial payments or even allow customers to add a tip, enhancing customer convenience.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.